Let's look at the applications of mixed reality now. Mixed reality is an evolving field. The technology is primarily useful in manufacturing industry and medicine, but it can also be used in other areas like computer vision, computer animation and graphics, variable computing and cloud computing. Manufacturing and maintenance of machinery is primarily being done by mixed reality. Mixed reality concepts are applicable in automotive industry, surgery and office environments. It can be used in the maintenance and repair of machinery. Notes on maintenance can be provided to engineers along with the designed MR systems for maintenance. Steve Finner's work at Columbia University demonstrated the basic maintenance of a laser printer. The user had to wear a semi-transparent headset with display and could see the small components of the printer along with the instructions on how to repair it. Similarly, Lee and Ree have presented a MR system for car repair and maintenance. The system has mobile and desktop terminals connected to a server which provides information to the user to repair the car engine. The system renders the information in a format requested by the client. MR systems are being used in car manufacturing also in assembly line to help the workers to view the whole unit and fix the parts accordingly. MR helps in fitting the different components of the hardware at exact positions. It is also used to test the color, shape and design of the spare parts and see the overall assembly of the machine. In education and medical field, mixed reality developers are experimenting with applications to help the academia in better teaching and learning. Idea is to provide equipment and learning environments, both augmented and virtual, at affordable cost, which can be used by students as laboratories for learning various disciplines like human anatomy, atomic physics, engineering science, architecture, etc. However, it will still take some time before universities fully adopt these technologies in their curriculum and update themselves as well to teach these technologies to the students. In the medical field, MR systems are used to visualize medical imaging such as CAT scans MRI directly on the patient's body. Through remote collaboration and consultation, doctors can plan right kind of treatment for the patients. The doctor at location A can use a mobile MR system to capture the condition of the patient and his physical state and send it to the expert system at a remote location at B. The expert at location B can see the scene and the doctor at B can give instructions to the doctor at position A. The instructions can come through audio or visuals using mixed reality system. MR systems are being used to provide navigation guidance for new travelers and explorers. Users can use the virtual signs such as road directions which appear in the real world as the user moves in the physical world. Soldiers can use this MR system and prepare for any unseen danger. MR systems are quite popular in gaming and entertainment industry. MR games make the whole experience interesting and users actually get thrilled by collaborating with other players virtually or by being physically present. Quake is one popular MR game where users kill monsters, use virtual walls, bombs, guns and person shooters. Players are supposed to kill monsters and move to the next level. To enjoy the whole experience, players used head-mounted displays and wearable devices. Players can move in a virtual city, collect items, energy levels and chase each other while killing monsters. The terms XR, X-Reality, X-Reality and X-Reality are registered trademarks of Sony Corporation and are used for Sony's Xperia for mobile products. Let's look at the challenges of MR. MR can mean many things and its understanding is always based on one's context. As we have discussed, there is no single definition of MR and it is highly unrealistic to expect one to appear in near future also. The digital objects in MR system have to be set at right resolution to facilitate visualization. Correct tracking mechanism to convey illusion of the position of virtual objects with respect to physical items also needs special mention. The system must know the exact position of the relevant physical objects in the MR system. Some devices have tracking systems attached to it, like a watch or a wearable headset. MR technology is still developing and is rather expensive for an average user. The price of HoloLens 2 is roughly $3,500 US. Conclusion: mixed reality no doubt offers advanced techniques in various industrial applications. Apart from gaming, it will certainly be useful in medical science and scientific innovations. With advancement and popularity, the cost of acquisition of this technology should also decrease, and an average person may find it affordable. Using mixed reality in daily life in order to make it smooth and hassle-free should be the real aim of this technology. Humankind should benefit from it, and people of all ages, irrespective of gender and color, have to ensure that this technology is used for the right cause. Finally, adherence to ethical practices will ensure early adoption and dissemination to larger audiences. On this note, I would like to conclude today's lecture. Thanks for watching.